Hello Ji, Namaste and a warm welcome from Jigisha. I'm the creator of the channel Artisans for You. And today I present to you a colorful DIY lantern. And now let's start. All we need for this activity is an OHP sheet and few glass colors. Glass colors are usually used with glass or with OHP sheet or any transparent surface for that matter. You can also use 3D outliners, liquid embroidery or glitter glue. Now for spreading glass colors, we usually use Q-tips, brushes and barbecue sticks or skewer sticks. But for this DIY, I am going to give a break to the brushes. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to squeeze out some color from these tiny little bottles and I'm going to spread the color with the nozzle of its lid. This way, I'm going to spread the colors from the bottle with the nozzle itself. But while spreading the colors, one care that you have to take is not to cover the complete surface of the sheet with the colors. Try to keep some space between the paints purposely so that it creates a nice pattern when these colors dry up. I have used glass colors from two brands, Camlin and Fevicryl. The list of the names of the shades of the glass colors that I have used will be mentioned in the description below. So you can have a look at them if interested. I have spread these colors in circles and you may create your own pattern. But just keep in mind to keep spaces between the paints. That's all you have to do. Intentionally, purposely keep spaces between these strokes so that light gets reflected out of this later on when the colors dry up. Now these colors are going to take some time for drying it. Let them dry up thoroughly. Meanwhile, let me thank all of you for giving so much of love for my previous lantern DIY. Once the colors dry up thoroughly, we need a container in which we can place the OHP sheet and a source of light to create these patterns. So for this, I'm going to use a waste plastic bottle and cut it as per the height of the OHP sheet. Use a cutter and a pair of scissors for the same. And now we are ready to roll our OHP sheet and place it into the bottle. The bottle will hold this OHP sheet and then leave any source of light, battery operated one, into the bottle. And wow, amazing! Look at these patterns. We enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. It's a bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and wish you all a happy festival of lights. Please celebrate this festival of lights with lots of lights and no noise. Bye bye. Once again, wish you all a Shubha Deepavali.